Hi, myself Manohar. I am from Information Technology, Section A, subject Software Testing Methodologies. Topic explain can be handled using servlets. What is servlets? Java servlets are programs that run on a web or application server and act as a middle layer between a request coming from web browser or the other HTTP client and database or application on the HTTP server. Using servlets, you can collect input from user through web page forms, present record from a database or another source, and create web pages dynamically. Java servlets often serve the same purpose as programs implemented using the Common Gateway Interface (CGI), but servlets offer several advantages in comparison with the CGI. Servlet tasks. Servlet performs the following major tasks: read the explicit data sent by the client's browser. This includes an HTML from on a web page, or it could also come from an applet or a custom HTTP client program. Read the implicit HTTP request data sent by the client browsers. This include cookies, media types and compression schemes the browser understands and so forth. Process the data and generate the result. These processes may be require talking to a database, executing an RMI or CORBA call, invoking a web service, or computing the response directly. Send the explicit data, i.e., the document, to the client's browsers. This document can be sent in a variety of formats, including text, HTML or XML, binary, GIF images, Excel, etc. Servlet packages. Java servlets are Java classes run by a web server that has an interpreter that supports the have servlet specification. Servlets can be created using the JavaX servlet and JavaX servlet HTTP packages, which are standard part of the Java Enterprise Edition, an expanded version of the Java class library that supports large scale development projects. These classes implement Java servlets and JSP specification. At the type of writings this tutorial, the version of the Java servlets 2.5 and JSP 2.1. Java servlets have been created and compiled just like another other Java class. After you install the servlets packages and add them to your computer's class parts, you can compile servlets with the JDK's Java compiler or any other current compiler. Servlets environment setup. A development environment is where you would develop your servlet, test them and finally run them. Likely any other Java program, you need to compile a servlet by using the Java compiler, Java C, and after compilation the servlet application, it will be developed in configured environment to test and run. Read the implicit HTTP request data sent by the client's browsers. This includes cookies, media types, and compression schemes the browser understands, so forth. Process may be data and the HTTP request data sent by the client's browser. This includes cookies, media, types and compression schemes the browser understand the so and so forth, process the data and generate the result. This process will be may require talking data to a database, executing an RMI or callback call, invoking a web service or computing the response directly. Send the explicit data, i.e. the document to the client's browser. This document can be sent in a variety of formats, including text, HTML or XML, binary, GIF, images, Excel, etc. Setting up Java development kit. This step involves the downloading and implementation of the Java software development kit SDK and setting up path environment variable appropriately. You can download SDK from Oracle Java site Java SC downloads. Once you download your Java implementation, follow the given instruction follow the given instructions. Um, to install and configure the setup, finally set path and Java home environment variables to refer to the directory that contains Java and Java C, typically Java install dir bin and Java install dir respectively. If you are running Windows and installed the SDK, you will put the following line your C bad file. Alternatively, on Windows, you could also right click on my computer, select properties, then advanced the environment variables. Then you will update the path value and press the OK button. Setting up Java development kit. This step involves downloading and implementation of the Java software development kit SDK and setting a path environment variable appropriately. You can download SDK from Oracle Java site Java SC downloads. Once you download your Java implementation, follow the given instruction to install and configure the setup. Finally, set path and Java home environment variables to refer to the directly that contains Java and Java C, typically Java install dir bin and Java install respectively. If you are running Windows and install SDK, you will put the following line your C automatic bad file. Alternatively, on Windows NT, you could also right click on my computer, select properties, then advanced, then environment variables. Then you could update the path value and press the OK button. Setting up web server. Tomcat, a number of web servers that support servlets are available in the market. Some web servlets are freely downloadable and Tomcat is one of them. Apache Tomcat is an open open source software implementation of the Java servlet and Java server pages. Technologies can act as standalone server for testing servlets and can be integrated with the Apache web server. Here are the steps to set up Tomcat on your machine. Assuming that your development directory is you set level Unix, then you will need add directories as well as class math in similar way as you have added above. If you are running Windows, you need to put the following lines in your pages that file. Conclusion. First, the HTTP request coming to the server and deleted to the servlet container. The servlet container loads the servlet before invoking the service method. Then the servlet container handles multiple requests by spawning multiple threads, each thread executing the service method of a single instance of the servlet. That The destroy method is called only once at the end of the life cycle of a servlet. This method gives you servlet a chance to close database connections, halt background threads, write cookie lists, or hit counts to disk and perform other such cleanup activities. Thank you.